Hello friends, welcome to Triple E Edu Academy. We will talk about today excretory system in human body. So what is a excretory system and what is the benefit of excretory organ in human body? What is a kidney? Structure and function of a kidney? What is a nephron and function of a nephron? These are the vital question. So we will talk about it. So what is a excretory system? Let's talk about it. Excretory system in humans equals to discharging of waste product from our body. The system that excrete waste from the body, example system of organ that regulate the amount of water in the body and eliminates from the blood the waste produced by the metabolism. Example as kidney, urinary bladder, ureters, etc. So the excretory system is responsible for the elimination of waste produced by the homeostasis in human body. So what is a homeostasis? What is homeostasis? So homeostasis, kidney removes waste products from metabolism such as urea, uric acid, creatinine by producing and secreting urine. The kidney helps maintain homeostasis by regulating the concentration and volume of the body fluids. Okay. What is a kidney? Kidney is a human excretory organ, we all know this. Reddish brown in color. Nephron is a unit of a kidney. Half cup blood, friends, filters in every minute. So how does the blood flow through a kidney? Everyone's kidney. Blood flows into kidney through the renal artery. The large blood vessels branches into small and smaller blood vessels until the blood reaches the nephron. Friends, this is the nephron. You can see this, and this is the inner portion of a kidney. You can see this. So our blood is filtered by the tiny blood vessels of the glomeruli and then flows out of our kidney through renal vein. What is a renal vein? This is the renal vein, friends. This is the renal vein. The blood goes inside the kidney. This is the renal pelvis. Innermost part is renal pelvis. Outermost part is cortex. And the inner part is called medulla. This is ureter, and this is the renal vein. This is the nephron structure. This is glomeruli. This is renal artery. This is renal vein. The blood going inside through the renal artery, and outside filtered blood is going outside through renal vein. Structure and function of a kidney. Kidney structure is like a bean-shaped structure. It is situated just below in the rib cage, one on each side of our spine. It is situated one on each side of our spine. There are three layers: renal fascia, perineal fat capsule, innermost part is renal capsule surrounded with cortex. Each kidney is placed by connective tissue called renal fascia, is surrounded by a thick layer of adipose tissue, perineal fat which helps to protect. Male kidney is bigger than female kidneys. So it is a suprarenal gland. It's called suprarenal gland. This is the outermost part. The innermost part is renal pelvis. This is the renal pyramid. The blood goes inside the kidney by renal artery, and the filtered blood is going outside through the renal vein. This is the ureter. Okay. Then what is the function of a kidney? For remember, I make a short sentence. This is the short term sentence. A wet bed. A means acid base balance, W means controlling water balance, E means electrolytic balance, T means removing toxin and waste products, B means blood pressure maintained by renin, E means producing hormone erythropoietin, D means activating vitamin D. So if you remember like this, if you think like this, a wet bed, you can remember the whole functions of a kidney. So what is a nephron and its function and structure? Nephron is a unit of a kidney. It is responsible for removing waste from our body. There are 1 million nephron in a kidney. 1 million nephron in our kidney. After 40 years age, nephron quantity reduce 10% of its total. So this is a huge amount. The vital point to remember, each nephron has a glomerulus to filter our blood and tubule that returns needed substance to our blood and pulls out additional wastes. This is the glomerulus, this is the renal artery, this is the renal vein, the blood going inside through renal artery in the glomerulus, and then filtered blood, then filtered blood is going outside through renal vein. The waste and the extra water become urine, then the waste and the extra water become urine. So arteries transport blood away from the heart and branch into smaller vessels, forming arterioles, venules that flow into the longer veins and back into the heart. Okay, let's talk about the next slide. There are some vital points, most of the on the basis of the disease and what is important for to remember in the structure of a kidney or function of a kidney. This is the base on these points. So some vital points is there. Most of the water and other substances that filter through our glomeruli and return to blood by tubules. This is a vital point. Diabetes and high blood pressure is the common disease of ESRD. ESRD means end stage renal disease. This is the common disease of kidney. Why diabetes is occurred? Diabetes occurred due to lack of ADH hormone. ADH is produced in our brain hypothalamus. So we will talk about another PowerPoint presentation in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.